If you're ever coming out here to North Mills River to do some awesome Pisgah mountain biking with two of the most popular trails, Spencer Gap and Trace Ridge, the great thing to do is park in the parking lot at Ingalls, meet your buds, and just take one car, because parking does get pretty tight, especially around the dam, especially around Trace Ridge parking. A lot of times you might not find a spot at all. So it's always better to consolidate. And you got a brewery right across here for afterwards, or of course Ingalls for some groceries if you're camping. All right, Steve, say what's up. We're at the gate before we go into Trace Ridge. All right. Heart Attack Hill. Whew. Nice blustery day. It's 32 degrees when we got out here. And it doesn't feel like it's getting much warmer. Oh yeah, always gets the legs warmed up. Whew. Try to catch your breath before this last feature. It's hard to in this cold air, so I'm gonna go real slow. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. Still a bit of a climb when you come up Trace. It's really the hardest climb of the day. It's right before you get to the top. It is technical, it is rooty, it is rocky, it is off camber, it is slick, it is fun. Nope. It is deep. It is deep. Those leaves are deep. You cannot see the ruts, the roots, the rocks at all. So I don't blame him for going slow, especially on those drops back there. So I don't blame you for.
I went down back there.
Did you fall?
Yeah.
Oh, you did fall.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not bad though. But...
Where'd you fall at? The drops, or before that?
No, after the drops. The drops are actually fine, but I don't know. There's one section where I just picked the wrong set of leaves to go through.
Yeah.
It just went whoop.
You alright?
Yeah, yeah. I just went.